Welcome everybody to This Better Home, a channel for do-it-yourself home projects and also lots of home product reviews. Basically, the idea is to save you time and money and to make your home a better place and better space. This video starts now. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a downspout and showing you an idea on how you can move a pesky downspout. For example, if it is blocking a sidewalk like this crummy photo here, I do apologize for that. You can see an extended white downspout coming across down from the house and basically emptying out water into a sidewalk area. Not cool at all when you're talking about freezing temperatures, right? It can create a very dangerous slick spot. This is a better view of it. The downspout was coming down and emptying water out, spilling it onto that sidewalk. The design was terrible, so what I did was I basically cut it off here where the black meets the white, and I installed a black flexible tube. I'll put a link down in the description below for this thing, but it's very simple. It comes in various lengths, and it's one big piece with a corner piece as well. Now the trick here is I buried it underneath the side of the house, but you see I've got gas lines to deal with and other utilities, so definitely call your municipal digging line. Just Google, for example, number to call before I dig. That's basically a legal requirement in most states, as I understand it, to make sure you don't hit a gas line or something critical like that. So once I had all those lines marked and I knew where it was where the pipes were and whatnot and how deep they were, I could basically dig a little trench and empty that black flexible downspout out underneath as shown here in the video. And it kind of comes out just like this. It's all one piece and it's just buried a couple of inches from the surface. Now, I didn't get one that there's perforated ones that you can buy with these little holes in them, and you're welcome to do that. I didn't want those little holes to be clogged up with dirt and stuff, so I have the solid tubular hose just like this, and it comes out and empties really nicely into my yard, and problem solved. Just make sure everything's downhill at about a ½ inch decline per foot. That's it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. For more do-it-yourself jobs like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks.